Ever wondered how to get Monopoly Go free dice effortlessly? With the new Monopoly Go tool, you can generate Monopoly Go free rolls and dice with just a few clicks. This powerful tool is designed to provide you with Monopoly Go free dice links that work seamlessly on both Android and iOS devices. All you need to do is enter your Monopoly Go user ID, choose your device type, and select the amount of dice you want. In no time, your account will be loaded with the rolls you need to keep playing. As part of the verification process, you'll be asked to download and play a popular mobile game until you reach level 9. It's a quick and enjoyable task that takes only a few minutes, and once completed, your Monopoly Go free dice will be added to your account. This tool has been updated for Monopoly Go free dice August 2024, ensuring it's fully compatible with the latest version of the game. This tool isn't just for generating dice, it's also a great resource for those seeking Monopoly Go cheats or a Monopoly Go dice hack. It's designed with safety in mind, providing you with the resources you need without risking your account. Plus, as you use the tool, you might even unlock additional Monopoly Go free spins, further enhancing your gameplay experience. Imagine the possibilities with unlimited Monopoly Go free dice at your fingertips. You can take bigger risks, strategize more effectively, and enjoy every aspect of the game without worrying about running out of rolls. This tool is perfect for players who want to maximize their gameplay and achieve new heights in Monopoly Go. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Start using the Monopoly Go tool today to generate the Monopoly Go free dice and rolls you need. With this tool, you'll be on your way to mastering the game and enjoying endless fun.